Hey people, welcome to Bethel Brothers Hot Rod. This is Project Blazer. Today I'm going to be working on some of the bed and some of the driver's side back fender. There's some welding and fabrication that needs to be done, so stick around, stay tuned. I'll have some tips for you today. Today I'm going to be focusing on this big nasty bed. Try to clean some of this up, get the moss out of the corners and some of this rust up. These guys took some like body trim and screwed down some carpet for a tailgate rubber fix. I'm not sure what they did, so that's getting tore off. And before I can do the bed, there was this junction where this what do you call it, a CB walkie-talkie gig was on the side, the antenna, and I don't think Joe's gonna put that back on. There's a big divot and bunch of holes. So I'm going to grind that clean so I can see what the actual metal looks like, and then I'm going to pound that out and then weld this up right next to the gas line. Just using an old extension and the hammer, man. A little hammer and dolly action. I knocked the dent out past the point, now I gotta push it back a little bit. The dolly helps support the rest of the material. Remember, there's two panels here. There's this one and the inner one, so I'm trying to work them both back. Now it's not totally flat, but it gives me an easier surface to work on and then something to fill up the holes. One little plug, M-U-D-D-P-L-U-G. Its name is plug. Got the little plug I just cut out in there. It's not an exact fit, but it's easier than filling that giant hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and start welding that up. And I'll definitely be using the wet towel trick over the top of the gas line. I'm gonna convince Joy to take this off. He doesn't want to do it because this rubber's bad, but it needs to come off, so whatever. I'll wait, let him make the decision. That way it's not my bad. Alright kids, there you go. A little bit of body filler and it's all good. It's pretty much flush with the rest of it, so it won't take that much to butter it up. I've also cleaned out the inside, and I got to get rid of some of this surface rust before I spray anything on it, and some of this chunky rust. This is bad right here. This stuff is nothing, it's just on top like tank used to be, but this stuff right here is pretty gnarly. We'll get down and see what's left. So here is the before. It's officially 140 something in the bed. There's your after shot, people. See, it was just a little surface rust, man. Still a little hard edged over there. It's just because I didn't push hard enough. And even this crazy stuff got it down. It's pretty much covered. That was the only hole. You remember what that looked like, so double gnarly. I'm gonna try. It's hard to breathe to get some paint on this. Just the bed. Just the bed. Just what I ground. Just the bed. And then work on another piece. Because geez. So here we go, kids. When I come back through the magic YouTube television, it'll be painted, primered with Rust Destroyer. Check it, buddies. Everything is totally primered. In the bed. Just in the bed. No holidays. Laid it on super thick. Wasn't worried about runs down there. That's a lot better than looking at all that rust though, yeah? Alright people, that's all for today. I'm out of here. It's hot and I need a shower, but thanks for tuning in and watching Bethel Brothers Hot Rod. Peace out, babies!